Oh, hey Scruffy. I thought you weren't here. I was getting worried. I didn't see you behind the chair. I'm about a half hour early, but I thought maybe you took off again. So I have the rest of your meaty pate, super supper, and kibble. Yeah, a little quiet tonight, again. Yeah, at least you're meowing, I guess. So I'll bring out the food. Okay. Store. So the weather has gotten colder. So I think the heat wave is off the table. Yeah, the weather report has just been wrong. Oops. You okay? Seem a little jumpy. I don't want to get scratched. So yeah, overnight it got really cold. It, I think dropped like 15, 20 degrees or something. So yeah, we're getting into freezing temperature territory. We're not at freezing yet, but yeah, we're starting to get in that ballpark. Usually doesn't hit freezing in this area, though it does happen occasionally. Hey! I'm sick of you scratching me, Scruffy. He's presented his tail to my leg. Yeah. Gonna be good? Yeah, I'm really sick of him scratching me. I don't know what to do about it. But, yeah, I'm starting to lose my patience. I don't know how much longer I want to do this if he's going to keep scratching me. Because, yeah, this... I don't think I enjoy taking chunks of time out of my day just to get scratched and hissed at. So, anyway, yeah, the weather got cold overnight, and the days are cooler too. So, yeah, it's starting to get chilly. So, today was surprisingly not as bad as I thought it would be, since even though the temperature dropped, it was actually sunny today. So at first it was overcast. I was worried we were going to get more gloom, and wasn't sure if we were going to get rain, since forecast has been terrible, and it seems like we've been getting rain even though the weather report says nothing about it. But I don't think it rained. So I did go for a walk this afternoon, and to my surprise, there are actually quite a few people out. And yeah, they were going for walks and weren't letting the colder weather get in their way. And I actually encountered several different cats, which I'll, I guess, talk about when he starts eating. I got footage, so I remembered to bring my camera with me this time. Again, since I still can't run. So I'm not sure where my leg is. I didn't have a chance to do my exercises yet, the crossover exercise. So I think it's probably about the same, but yeah, I feel like I'm losing a level of fitness, one that I've been working really hard to maintain over the past, or develop over the past year. So it's really frustrating to be sidelined like this. I was really tempted to just, go for a, start a short jog or something like that, but I don't want to re-injure my leg. So for now, I'm stuck to walking. I noticed my toes were actually kind of aching today. They were aching yesterday too, along with some of my legs and feet. But yeah, I'm thinking I might need another rest day, but my toes start feeling better after, or at least I stopped noticing the pain or discomfort as I got further along in my walk. It's kind of funny how that works. So I think Scruffy might be purring. Yeah. I like it when you meow like that. It means you're not scratching me. So let's see, I got up too early again. I think I got up at sunrise. So it was kind of dark, but there was a little bit of light. And it was really cold, so I kind of wanted to stay in bed, but it was actually so cold. It was like, I think I need to get up and get some warmer blankets, or use my electric blanket that I pulled out the other day at my desk, and turn up the thermostat because it was too cold. So by objective measures, I think I actually had a pretty good day. But for some reason, emotionally, I'm not feeling it. I think, I don't know. Not sure what it is. I feel like I have this pending sense of doom or something. But yeah, by most measures, it was actually supposedly a pretty good day for me. But yeah, I don't know why emotionally I'm not feeling it. And I also did go grocery shopping, so I got that done. I think I heard purring. Oh, meow. Yeah, like that. So I'm starting to stroke his neck when he looks up at me. Okay, I think we're about food time, huh? Okay, let's get your food. Okay. It's kind of tangled back here again. So the forecast, I think, says we're going to get rain in, I think, 2 days. And it's supposed to rain for, I think, 3 or 4 days. So we'll see. We normally don't get that much rain, so I'd be surprised if we get actually, 4 days of continuous rain. So I saw Scruffy. Let's see. Yeah, I didn't see him this morning, so I was looking around for him. I was kind of curious where he might be taking shelter when it's this cold. I thought maybe he'd be on the chair or on the table or something, but I didn't see him, so not sure where he likes to hang out. Maybe he's under the deck. So when I brought out the water today, I didn't think he was here. But the moment I came out, he came walking around the corner, kind of greeted me. I was actually surprised. Usually he waits for me to go back inside or at least take some steps back. But yeah, he actually came in the sight while I was out in the open near the water dish. So he still didn't directly interact with me. He went right to the water dish and drank his water. And I think I just stood out here. I didn't go back in. But yeah, after he was done drinking the water, he left. But that's still better than the way he normally treats me. So usually, I think he avoids me until I go back in, or he won't, or at best he won't approach until I back away. So guess I'll try to recount the different cats I saw at the park today. Let's see. So yeah, I saw 2 cats at about the same time. So the first cat I saw was I think a gray and white cat, mostly gray, I guess. This one I saw I think a few days ago. This is the one. It's on the very far side of the park, or it's not even in the park. It's in the residential, the houses next to the park. So the other day I saw a cat running through all the front yards of a lot of the houses, or I guess walking, not running. And so I think, yeah, this cat was in that same vicinity, and it's same color, so it might have been the same cat. So yeah, I got a picture of this cat. I was not that close. So I mentioned, I think a year ago, there used to be a cat or a pet carrier, large ones. I guess it was more for a dog than a cat, and it was actually in that same vicinity where this cat was. I think off a little to the right or something behind a tree. I think so. My belief was the owner of the house was leaving the carrier there for any strays or ferals that wanted to take shelter there, and possibly they may have left water or food in there. Yeah, at one point I was thinking, gee, I need a carrier. I wonder if I could take that, but since it was it wasn't on the park. It was actually technically on somebody's property. I didn't feel it was abandoned, so I felt I better leave it because the owner may be actually using it for that purpose to try to help the feral cats in that region. So I didn't take it. But yeah, the carrier's gone now, so I don't know what happened. So somebody might have taken it, or they just got rid of it. So the next cat I saw was actually in the park, in the brush, and this was that ginger cat. So I think about a month or two ago, I started noticing a new ginger cat in this same vicinity, and so yeah, this ginger cat was in the middle of the brush, and looked like I may have made him a little nervous. I think his ears, when I first approached, I think his ears are a little defensive. They're kind of tuckered in, pointing backwards. But I was just standing there filming him, so I think after a while he got used to me. But he didn't approach or anything. And then that was my first lap, and then by my second lap, yeah, both of those cats were not there anymore, so they moved on. Then let's see, I saw one of the twins, the black cat, the white feet, hangs out in the middle of the field. So once again, I think he was hunting squirrel. So I think he was sitting near a squirrel hole, hoping to pounce or something. So I was trying to get a better shot, so I got a little closer, and I think I annoyed him. He didn't like me getting that close, especially when he's hunting. Let's see, and then I think finally, on my way back home, passing a bunch of houses, I saw another black and white cat. And I think this is the cat I saw maybe a week ago that I thought might have been Boots, but something seemed off, so I didn't think it was Boots. So I didn't get a good look at that cat. But yeah, Boots has kind of a very distinctive face, and looks mischievous. It's like built into his face. But this cat didn't have that. So yeah, it's a different cat. So anyway, I think this was the cat that I probably saw the other day. This one was hanging out in somebody's yard. I suspect it's not owned by that house. I think it was just hanging out there. So I got a picture of it. I was looking for the cat that hangs out in front of the woman's house who feeds them, but I haven't seen that cat in about a week, I'd say. So usually I see that cat, or at least some months ago I'd see that cat almost every day, but I think for the last month or two I haven't noticed that cat. I've seen him pretty infrequently because he used to just hang around on the doorstep all day. At least every time I see him, it seems like that's what he was doing, and I haven't seen him at all, with rare exception recently. But yeah, anyway, so I was surprised to see that many cats out, considering the weather right now. Yeah, and I guess except for the twins, I guess I was also surprised I didn't see the normal staples of cats that I normally encounter. These were uh, the less common cats that I encounter. Funny how that works. Remove balls. I think he ate everything. Yeah, he kind of ate everything. There's a little bit of pat take and lick. Yeah, you should do a better job cleaning the bowl. So I think I'm gonna go in. I'm not gonna try to do second pets with him. Good, I think he's leaving. Because yeah, he already scratched me once, and it seems like when I do these second pets, I increase the chance of him scratching because he seems to like getting pet less. He's sticking around, huh? So I don't think I want to pet you because you keep scratching me. Okay, folks, I think I'm gonna go in. So I'm gonna stand up here. Okay. I think he sneezed and tripped. Okay, folks, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.